Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick update on my 453T. I thought I'd do a post-engine failure video just to show you guys what happened. So cylinder number 2, the liner broke on that one, and that's the liner here. You can see it's pretty bad shape, but the inside tells a tale here. You see all that corrosion in there? Basically, the whole liner is really badly corroded. Not only that, it was badly rusted on the outside of the liner where the cooling met the liner. So basically, it couldn't cool very well with all the rust on the outside. And not only that, it wasn't able to lubricate the liner very well with the piston running up and down because of all the corrosion. So once I got some heat going on this thing, we were at 1050 EGTs. Once that started to happen, the piston couldn't dissipate all the heat, and it ended up expanding and then seizing in that liner. So that's what happened. Just to give you an idea what we're talking about here, this engine sat out in, I bought it in Florida 11 years ago, maybe even 12 years ago now, and it's recently just been put in the truck and was showing signs of a lot of blow-by under full power. And the reason for that was the corrosion on the liners that couldn't seal the rings. So you see those top rings are all corroded. So this engine sat outside for years, and I believe even to the point of seizure. So it was, you could see all that. So you can see all the scaling on the liners there too. So basically it sat outside for years, and then some smart bugger took it and unseized it and got it running, and it ran pretty decent, to be honest, until you started to put a good load on it. So I had about 600 to 700 miles on it before it failed. So here's the other pistons. You could see where it was sat for years in one position. Those are the intake ports there. So I don't know how long it takes to do that, but it's years. So every top piston ring is basically destroyed. This is number 1 cylinder that received a piece of the liner, so I couldn't get that ring out because it's compressed. But the engine, basically, there's not a pretty well not a salvageable piece out of it. The crankshaft and the camshaft can be reworked, but I decided to replace it. So this is the head off the engine that failed, and it's actually in pretty good shape. I got the magnafluxed and hot tanked to just clean them all up. So this is debris from the liner that came up and hit, and that's the cylinder that failed there. But anyway, this is my spare head and my spare block, and I'm taking both heads down to the machine shop, a Detroit shop, and they're going to pick the best head to rebuild. The block with the liners out of it has been hot tanked already. You could still see the scaling in the cooling passages. And the problem with this block now, I'm not using this block anymore because of these seats where the seals go. They're all really badly corroded. So I'd have to machine that or tap and build inserts for them. So you can see they're all pretty well destroyed. And that's just years of running this block, this engine, without antifreeze. It's just straight water. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, this is the block I'm going to build. This was one I bought last summer, and it's in pretty good shape. So we're going to build this block up, put new bearings in it, clean it all up, and put new liners and whatnot. Anyway, there's the update for you guys, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for further updates. Should be about 3 weeks until I get all my parts together to start building the new engine. So I'll do some videos on that. Thanks a lot, and take care.